Today I'm going to be showing you how to compost your food waste at home so we can reduce waste going to landfill. In order to collect your food waste in your kitchen, you're going to need a container. You can use a 2-litre ice cream container, or you can purchase a pedal, bin or bucket. Now what's important is that you line the container with newspaper or a paper bag so that the food waste doesn't stick to the side of the container and makes cleaning easier later. When we look at the different types of food waste that we have, all food waste is compostable. Some food waste is more challenging to compost. So meat and dairy products can potentially cause odours and attract rats to your compost. So start off with some of the easier items first, and as you become more confident in your composting, you can add more items. So all of this is going to go into your compost bin. If you are concerned about odours, what you can do is that you can actually freeze the container. That will prevent odours. It should take between 2 to 3 days to fill, depending on how much food waste you and your family produce. And we're going to go outside now to see what we do in the garden to compost it. What you want to do is you want to start off with the base layer, leaves, twigs at the bottom. Empty it into the composter. So that you have a good base layer. Now that you've got a good base layer, take your food waste and empty it into the composter, including the newspaper at the bottom. Okay? Very important to also have other material to cover the food waste so you don't attract any flies to it. So have more available to cover your food waste. Paper, tear it into pieces, go into your compost, and then have some water handy to rinse your compost container. So I will use a watering can just to give a good rinse. Any pieces that might have stuck to the side, and I pour that water into my composter. We're going to layer it like that with food waste and garden waste until our composter is full. Once the composter is full, we actually need to lift the whole composter up, put it next to the waste, and what you will see is the compost will be at the bottom with a layer of fresh material on top. This fresh material can go back into your composter and you can use the compost at the bottom.